How to download and install Inkscape. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Inkscape is a free and open source vector graphics editor. It offers powerful tools for creating and editing illustrations. Here's how to download and install it on your computer. First of all, head to the official website by visiting inkscape.org/release. After that, choose your system. The website detects your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Download the appropriate installer for your system. For Windows, click on the blue button, download Inkscape, version number for Windows 64-bit or 32-bit if your system doesn't support the 64-bit. And here is the installer package. The download will start shortly, and here it is. And after that, we must wait for the download to finish so we can launch the installer from the downloads file. After the download is complete, we can head over to Downloads, Programs, and we will find the installer file. We need to double click on the installer file and follow the prompts to finish up the process of installation. Here is the inkscape.msi. Next, install, and after that we give permissions and we wait. It will take only very few seconds or minutes depending on your PC. And that's it for today. This is the way to download and install Inkscape. After the installation is complete, you will find the program right here in your desktop or here in the startup menu. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.